the government management committee, very close. So when they told me that you have arrived, I said yes, it will be a chance so that you meet them and also see before we can have a few discussions. So when they told me that you have arrived, I said yes, it will be a chance so that you meet them and also see before we can have a few discussions. Then we have the Deputy Secretary General, the Secretary for, there is a Secretary General who is outside, immediate subordinates who help these providers over the 82 Muslim districts in the country. And each Muslim district is headed by a district cadre. Now these districts are under regional administration. There are 10 Muslim regions headed by a regional assistant. These ones help these providers the activities of the districts country. So the regional assistants are here. Can you raise your hands? We have close to 15,700 mosques, 15,700, and around 15,250 are directly under the control and allegiance of the Ghana Muslim Council, except a few mosques around the central here, which can say, no, this is a personal mosque, this is a family mosque, nothing to do with Muslim Council, but 15,200 are under the Ghana Muslim Council. So, let me request the head of delegation to introduce the team. Whether it is
last year, because I found a lot in his book, and he asked me, what do you want me to do for you? I told him that
إنما يخشى الله من عباده العلماء وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم العلماء ورثة الأنبياء أو كما قال. We begin by praising Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all His favors upon us. Says Allah in the Quran, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. If you try and enumerate the favors of Allah, you would not be able to do so. But we do so because we are obliged to do so. And we also send salutations upon our greatest benefactor, our beloved Prophet Muhammad Mustafa.
We should work towards uniting it. It's one of the objectives of this administration. We try to unite it, regardless of our challenges, differences, color, beliefs, interpretation of religious teachings, we should make one, because as long as we say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, accommodate him so that we can make one ummah. So we think the next days we'll see more interactions and contributions towards maybe trying to solve some of those challenges, inshallah ta'ala. But welcome to Uganda and the Uganda Muslims Council. We thank you for that heart. There's a lot which we can share. I used to come to, I came to South Africa, I think 5 times. I was once in, I visited Cape Town, I visited Johannesburg, then there is the other town administrative, which one is it? Pretoria. Not Durban, I've never been there. I visited Maulana Jena, the late. Is he still there?
He's still there. He's our president.
He's the president, Maulana Jena. It's a long time. Many of you come to Uganda, many people from South Africa, donors, contribute a lot. And we thank you for that spirit. My only advice is that a follow-up is always needed. For us as Uganda Muslim Council, we are not interested in receiving money. We are interested in seeing projects implemented. So that is a challenge. When we say we want a mosque here, I think you should look at a mechanism of guaranteeing that that mosque is constructed and make a follow-up for proper accountability. We don't want to be held responsible as Uganda Muslim Council. Our people can supervise the district cadis, the regional assistants, but there should be a mechanism. We don't want to implicate our leadership in any mismanagement of projects, inshallah. That is my only request. At Uganda Muslim Council, we struggled very hard to see that there is self-sustenance here. So we don't request for money for salaries. No, we are capable of managing salaries, but maybe projects that can help the ummah, schools, orphanages, training of imams, workshops. These mosques, the 15,650 or 15,700 mosques, most of them lack trained imams. We have mosques being constructed at a high speed, but the imams, the trained ones, are very few. Some mosques on Fridays go without khutbah, without Salat Juma, because people are interested. We want a mosque. After construction, there must be an imam. So when a mosque is constructed, it is advisable that there should be at least 2 rooms beside the mosque for the imam, so that he is there, he leads 5 prayers per day, and the donor gets his business worth with Allah, that there is every prayer he is awarded the donor of that project. So those ones in few. My district cadis, I'm responsible, and my regional assistants, I'm responsible. I'm answerable in case of anything. In case of anything, tell me that there is a problem here. This one I will handle 100%. We don't encourage mismanagement of any responsibility. This rest assured. You're welcome. Okukyalirako okuva South Africa nga bakuliddwa Maulana Mufti Bam. ate nga wano regional assistant waffe ne badusikaali ba Kampala ne regional assistant bazze ne ttiimu zaabwe zawano abali mu ggwanga muno okubeera ntwaniriza abagenyi abo ekibaleese kujja kulaba ngeri gye tusobola okulaganira awamu mu nsonga z'okuweereza obusiraamu n'eggwanga lyaffe ng'ekyo bakikoze olw'okumanya ekitabo ky'obusiraamu bwe kiri nga buli kye bakola kyetaagisa naffe ne tukimanyako oba ne tukibawamuko amagezi ng'ekigendererwa kyakubeera ntutambulira wamu. Tusuubira enkolagana ennungi mu bintu ebiwerako ebikwatagana n'okuyiga n'okubeera nti eddiini yaffe ennyonnyoka bulungi n'okubeera nti tugisomesa awo lwe kyetaagisa n'okugizimba mu buli ngeri yonna n'okukolaganira wamu ng'eggwanga erya South Africa n'erya Uganda. Tubaniriza wano olwaleero nga bagambye bajja kubeera wano ennaku eziwerako. Tubaagaliza emirembe nga Supreme Council tubasuubiza enkolagana ennungi insha Allah egy'okubeera nga eyamba omulimu gwaffe guno. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.